up, everybody? Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and help us keep doing it through this pandemic. Alright guys, as you can see behind me, we've got a 2020 GMC Sierra. This is the 1500. This is the SLE, so it's a cloth interior with a bench seat. And we sent this up 6 inches on the rough country kit. So, if you want to come back here, this is the 5.3 liter, by the way. We set this up on the Motiv Mutants. These are a 20 by 10 with a -25 offset. Pokes it outside of the fender just a little bit. You got about 1.5 to 2 inches right there. And again, we went with the 35-12-50 Kenda Klevers. As we go back here, we went with the rough country drop step. So nice little stirrup step, get out of the way, don't mess with your departure angles coming out of the back. Definitely pretty solid step. We put these on a lot of builds, a very clean look. Let's see, as we head back, we'll show you this logo since it is the most upright on this truck. All right. And as far as this kit goes, it's going to be a extended shock out back, and we use the strut extender out front right here with that nice little rough country logo. It's called branding, fellas. All right guys, that's all I got for you. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and help us keep doing this through these interesting times.